What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. Still out here in LA right now. And the one thing I noticed I love about this place is, no matter where I go, whether it be Beverly Hills, uptown, downtown, the sun is consistently shining out here. No matter where I go, consistently shining. And I think that right there, that word, consistency, is probably the most important word in the vocabulary of anyone pursuing long-term success. And honestly, I think in this day and age in particular, that is the most underemphasized quality. Consistency is an equalizer. Somebody can be way more talented than you, but if you're supremely consistent, you never slow down, keep your foot on the gas, just like that, never stop, keep going, keep pushing no matter what. And even if you do slow down, but you never stop, and you had somebody else going to the same destination, and they started at the same time as you, guarantee you're gonna get there before them. Science, it's mathematics. I can't tell you how many people I met in my life that promised me, yo, nothing's gonna get in my way. I die in the ring. But then next thing you know, here come the bullshit. Oh, I gotta take a break. My girl says I'm working out too much. Or they're giving me too much overtime in my job. Next thing you know, they take breaks. Every time you take a break, you gotta start all over again. Every single day, you gotta celebrate those small victories. Don't disregard them. Everybody's looking for that big one-punch knockout, the home run, and they completely disregard all those base hits, all those jabs. That's what you call hustling while you wait. And you're burning the candle at both ends. Yeah, if you see an opportunity for a one-punch knockout that presents itself, take that calculated risk. Do your math, make sure it looks like a good move. Take a chance, it's all good. But don't depend on that. You keep racking up them points with the jab, keep stacking them bricks in life by having a system that you can follow through every single day. Time will be on your side, and eventually you'll look back and you'll be astounded at how much you've accomplished, even in a short period of time. And that's, I think, more important than, like I said, yeah, I mean, if you got a big, unexpected flash of success, that's great. But that's not going to be sustainable in the long term. So if you have any intention on sticking around and making a big impact over the long term and the long game, is what you really, really got to master. That's what separates the legends from the one-hit wonders. So, like I said, man, don't underestimate the importance of the little wins. Keep stacking those bricks and stay in the game for the long term. And eventually, you probably will get that nice big home run, one-punch knockout opportunity. But in the meantime, you hustle while you wait. That's all I got to say. Hope you found this informative. If you did, like, subscribe, comment below. Go check out my Instagram, coach.v_. Till the next time, we out. Out.